Hey, this is question number two on 10.4 homework, and we're given the null hypothesis that the standard deviation is 2.1 and alternate hypothesis that it's actually greater than 2.1. We have a sample size of 18, and the sample standard deviation is 2.4. So we're supposed to compute the test statistic, the p-value, excuse me, and determine or not to reject the null hypothesis or not. So all we need to do is open up StatCrunch. It's got a nice calculator for variance stats. I think I'm missing it. There we go. StatCrunch. Let me show you where to go here. You go to Stats, Variance Stats, one sample, and this is with summary. We don't have the raw data. Okay. And we need the sample variance. Now, you notice that we can't put in 2.4. That's the sample standard deviation, but the variance is just a square of the standard deviation. So this is really 5.76. Okay. And then the sample size is 18 that we got from the problem here. The 5.76 comes from squaring this. Now we need to do the hypothesis testing. So the null hypothesis is that the variance is 2.1, but up here we can't use these 2.1s because these are standard deviations. We have to square them, and we get 4.41. And then this should be greater than, right? It's a right-tailed. And we just hit enter, and it should give us a test statistic, right? 22.2 when rounded to 2 decimal places. And then the p-value is just 1.77. And so since the p-value is greater than the significance level we were looking at, 0.05. I'm not sure if I checked whether the significance was right. So I'm going to go back into edit. I'm doing that a little fast. Yeah, so, you don't have to set the significance for hypothesis testing. So since the p-value is greater than the significance, which is 0.05, right, we will not reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so I hope that helps clarify this problem. Let me know.